Hey everyone! Today we are tackling a classic calculus problem that trips up a lot of students because of one tiny detail. The shaded region is below the x-axis. The problem gives us the function y equals the fraction x cubed over 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 over 2, and asks for the area from x equals 0 to x equals 4. We are told the area equals k over 5, and we need to find that whole number k. When we find area using integrals, we usually think of it as the integral of the function. But remember, integrals calculate net area. Since our region is below the x-axis, the integral will result in a negative number. Because area must be positive, we are going to use the absolute value of the integral. In this case, the top is the x-axis, y equals 0, and the bottom is our function. So our setup looks like this. The area equals the integral from 0 to 4 of the quantity 0 minus the entire expression x cubed over 4 minus 2 x to the power of 3 over 2 dx. After simplifying, that's the integral from 0 to 4 of 2x to the power of 3 over 2 minus the fraction x cubed over 4 dx. Now for the fun part, the integration. We're going to use the power rule to integrate our terms. For term 1, 2x to the power of 3 over 2, it will become 4 over 5x to the power of 5 over 2. For term 2, 1 over 4x cubed, it will become 1 over 16x to the 4th power. Putting it together, our integral is 4 over 5x to the power of 5 over 2, minus 1 over 16x to the 4th power, evaluated from 0 to 4. Now we plug in our limits. We start with the upper limit, 4, and subtract the lower limit, 0. Since the lower limit is 0 and both terms have x, that part just becomes 0. So let's focus on the 4. So, the area is equal to 4 over 5 times 4 raised to the power of 5 over 2, minus 1 over 16 times 4 raised to the 4th power. This is equal to 48 over 5. The question stated the area is expressed as k over 5. We found the area is 48 over 5. Matching those up, k equals 48. And that's it. Just remember, if it's below the x-axis, take the absolute value at the end to keep your area positive. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more math tutorials.